Wow! Totoo nga! Wow! Wow! Totoo nga! Tignan natin yung set. Oh, look at that! Lechon Cochinillo. Lechon Cochinillo! Nanubabo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, another craze dito po sa atin sa Pampanga, ang Lechon Cochinillo, and this is brought to us by TeamCanlas TV! Yun guys, if you have seen TeamCanlas TV for sure, yung mga mukbang po nila sa YouTube as well as sa Facebook. So, isa po sa mga naging popular na minukbang nila is tong Lechon Cochinillo. And then, people started to order from them. And then eventually, just 3 weeks ago at the time na bina-vlog natin to, they started their business selling this Cochinillo. So, as a matter of fact, ang dami nang nag-order sa kanila and very satisfied ang mga customers. And right now, pinataking nila sa atin ang kanilang lechon. Look at this! So, it's actually a piglet, no? So, according to our orientation with Sir Chester, it's around 5 to 7 kilograms yung piglet natin. Whew, so fresh. Actually, mainit-init pa. Yan, no? Mainit pa na. So crunchy, so crunchy. You could actually cut it using this plate. So, tingnan natin, guys. Ready? Wow! Totoo nga! Wow! Woo! Itong ulo. Wow! Wow! Totoo nga! And look at that crispy balat. If my memory serves me right, per order po natin is just 5,500 pesos. You pick your dip. So meron po silang 3 kinds of dip. Merong Lechon Sarsa, meron tayong pink sauce, and then in the middle is Prik. So pick your sauce, isa lang. And kung gusto mo naman ng all 3 are present, alam ko guys, is 100 pesos per tab tayo dito. 100 pesos only. So titingnan natin isa-isa yan. So sobrang, oh man, sobrang crunchy. Wow! Whoa! You can still see yung mga herbs and spices dyan. Ayan guys. So una natin titikman is yung kanilang Lechon Sarsa. Let's dip it here. What? Wow. This is Kapampangan inspired, no? Oh man, so crunchy. Even yung pinakamit natin guys, sobrang lambot. Now this one is their pink sauce. Ayan, pink sauce. Yung pink sauce naman nila, vinegar based. Sobrang dami ng onion and some chili. Wow! Wow! Grabe! Agis ang kaya ini. Oil dripping! Ha! One more from this pink sauce right here. Gustong-gusto yung daming sibuyas. Drip, drip, drip. Wow! So guys, more about TeamCanlas TV. They actually started sa YouTube. Kapampangan's pride din po sila. They have almost 500,000 follower po sa YouTube. If I'm not mistaken, nagsimula po sila sa pagmumukbang din, no? Yung mga aspiring vloggers din dyan, mga content creators na want to be successful. Follow natin yung mga footstep nila kasi they have become really successful. So aside from their YouTube channel, nagkaroon pa sila ng mga ibang income streams like their merch, business opportunities such as this. So they started selling this. Oh, now this one has meat. Yeah, meat lang. Oh, this is Prik. Anghang. Bursting with flavor. Wow. Oh, wow. Tignan natin yung soup. Oh, look at that. Ah. Daming herbs, daming spices, daming pampalasa. Guys, at the end of the day, syempre, kanya-kanyang preference yan. So, some will like the usual lechon, some will like the lechon belly, some will like this kind of lechon. Kanya-kanya pong preference yan. Kagandahan sa mga ganitong lechon, guys, it has less fat since piglet yung mga nilelechon natin dito. Konting fat pa lang talaga yung available dito. And so most of the time, it's just gonna be yung pinaka main meat and balat. Balat kayo dyan, guys. Look at that. Oh, wow. Sarap ng sarsa. Yeah, pansinin nyo guys, medyo as in maliliit pa yung mga ano niya, rib bones. Oh, wow. Ang dami pala talaga niyang ano, mga herbs and spices sa loob ng tiyan. That's really tasty. Wow, sarap. Ang liit ng ano, rib bone. So let's taste this more this time. More dun sa Prik. Dipit natin dito sa Prik. Oh. Whew. What? Ang lambot. Guys, you gotta try it to believe it. Ang lambot. Ayan na. So more of this. Halos tong nabanatan ko guys is yung pinaka parang lower back na may masarap ang ano. This is usually yun yung masarap na balat. Oh wow. So personally, my take, this is around 5 to 7 kilograms. So most probably, this is suitable sa mga intimate gatherings, yung mga, you know, just family get together. And then when you bring this as you know, a potluck, kumbaga i-include nyo sa menu ninyo, this is gonna be the star of your table. Mapapawaw sila dito guys. So, I mean for a lechon, it's cute, diba? But then again, at the end of the day, you gotta try to believe it. This is so tasty. And lahat ng mga sauce niya, all three sauces, pack na pack guys. So it's up to your preference. Is there a sarsa, a pink sauce, or a Prik? It's up to you. So there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe as well sa TeamCanlas TV, Manyaman Keni, as they always say, Manyaman Keni. Guys, if you're interested to order this one, just message them po. Leave them a message. They also have their contact numbers for delivery. Another option guys, another option for the usual lechon. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, stay safe. Bye. Ooh. Oh.